How long does it take to install new flooring in my home? The answer to that can vary depending on the type of flooring that we're going to be doing. You go from the fastest process, which is reinstalling carpet in bedrooms, to the slowest process, which is wood floors, real wood floors on living areas. The carpet can be done in 1 to 2 days, depending on the size of the house. And then the wood flooring can take anywhere from 2 weeks to acclimate, and then 1 week to stain and do hand scraping and those things. So you can be looking anywhere from about 3 to 4 weeks to do that. The thing to keep in mind with flooring is no matter what type of flooring we're doing, there will be some level of packing out for the homeowner to do. Even when we're doing carpet, we can move the larger items, but smaller personal items, even desk lamps, things of that nature, we're going to want those removed from the room. There will be some level of packing that the customer has to do. And again, if we're doing wood flooring, you're going to have a full pack out, take out drapes, blinds, everything on the wall, everything on the floor has to be removed from the home while we do that process, or from the area that we're putting wood floors in. So just to recap, the answer is it depends on the type of flooring that you're going to be doing throughout the home and how large the area in which we're working in.